Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by dragging the Image Carousel widget into the column, then adding your chosen images from the media library. Once done, make sure captions are visible. Either enter them per image or use dynamic tags for titles. Next, set image size and order so spacing and crop behave predictably. This avoids layout jumps later. Finally, save a draft or preview to confirm images loaded correctly before moving into styling and overlay text. Now you add the visible text. You can use each image's caption field for simple titles, or place an HTML overlay inside the same column for precise positioning. Then, go to Content Style to set typography, color, background overlays, and spacing. Use responsive toggles to adjust mobiles. For exact alignment or animated text, open Advanced and paste targeted custom CSS, or apply a unique class to the carousel. This gives you control over size, opacity, and text layering. Finish by testing across desktop, tablet, and mobile, and then save. Make sure to clear site cache and regenerate Elementor CSS if styles don't appear, a common fix. If captions are hidden, inspect z-index, overlay opacity, and whether HTML is being escaped by WordPress. Adjust as needed. If something still fails, open the browser inspector to confirm class names and tweak your selectors. This final check ensures consistent appearance and reliable text rendering on the live site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.